you've watched my last video, you would know that I do not have uni until Friday and it's currently Tuesday. So me and my housemate Nell are going to go to Harrogate today. I've never been before, but apparently the charity shopping is really good there. I'm actually leaving in 5 minutes, so I do not have time to chat, but I'll give you a quick outfit of the day. I was wearing a black long sleeve that I got from a charity shop, and then this FC UK red belt. It's also from a charity shop. Then I'm wearing these weekday jeans. They are the Astro fit, and then I'm just wearing my shocks, and then I'm just wearing this Hearts track jacket, repping the motherland as always. And then this is just like my brown leather River Island jacket. For my bag, I'm gonna bring this Longchamp bag that my dad actually bought for me in 2004. It's kind of rogue and like really colourful, but I just feel like the red is fun with the red belt. And yeah, that's today's outfit. I've got to go, otherwise Nell's gonna get angry at me.
So this is me and Nell en route to Harrogate. It only took like 30 minutes, which is so good. We popped into a few of the shops. I was obsessed with this one called Piglet. We then went to this underground market called Space, and it was so cool. They had so much cool stuff. We also went to this independent bookshop called Imagine Things. And then obviously we hit the charity shops. I'll give you a little haul when I'm home, but these are just some of the bits that we found.
What you want to do for love. You tried everything.
Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. I don't have a Valentine, which I'm actually really quite cool about. Last year, I did vlog Valentine's Day. I had a really nice time. I went for dinner with my friend Alex. It was slightly humbling because everybody else in there was a couple, obviously, but loved that. It was still fun. I actually remember feeling quite down because the year before I did have a Valentine. So it was a little bit of an adjustment last year, but this year I'm a new woman and I literally could not care less. I had quite a busy morning this morning. I literally had 2 calls and one was a job interview, which is really fun. If you've been subscribed to me for a while, you'll know that I was working for 2 clubs in Leeds, and I actually learned so much in that role, which I'm so grateful for because it means I can apply for other social media jobs and also use what I learned for my own channel. I don't know if you guys have been noticing, but I've been on my YouTube grind recently. I'm just so happy to be doing it again. Obviously, my biggest passion in life is sustainable fashion. I love making haul videos and trend predictions and other fashion related stuff. But actually, my New Year's resolution was to lower my consumption, so I don't have hauls every single week to film, obviously, and I actually never want to be promoting that. To be fair, most of my past hauls have been collective ones, and it's just been an accumulation of stuff that I've just gathered over a couple of months. I got in a bit of a rut where I didn't really know what else to film apart from hauls, so I had a bit of a breather over the holidays. I had quite a lot on. I really needed that time to just relax and get all my work done, and then I came back to uni and I feel so much more refreshed, and I feel like I've got my creative spark back. I know that's a little bit cringe, but I really do feel like that, and I'm just really enjoying vlogging and documenting my life. As I said in my first week back at uni vlog, I really want to document my life whilst I'm living in Leeds, and I'm actually just having so much fun doing that. So I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Expect a lot more. I went to Harrogate yesterday with my housemate Nell, and it was so nice. I really want to go back there. The charity shops were insane. They had so many and they were so big as well. We didn't really plan it very well, and we didn't actually have enough time to properly go through all the charity shops. So I'm definitely going to go back to Harrogate soon. Oh my god, I actually haven't showed you what I bought, so I'll definitely do that in a second. It's kind of a mixture of charity shop stuff, and I bought some books from Waterstones as well. It's nearly 4 o'clock, and as I said, I've had quite a busy day so far. I need to go to town to collect my prescription, and then after that, me and my housemates are going to Roxy Lanes to do bowling. We were going to do a dinner out, but we did that the other day, and we didn't want to be left out of like Valentine's Day fun, even if our love is platonic. Okay, I'll start with the books that I got. The Waterstones in Harrogate was so nice. I genuinely feel like I could spend hours in Waterstones. I just find it such like a peaceful and calm environment. I needed a new book to read, so I got The Family Upstairs. I just love a crime novel. Like, I know it's basic, and I know they're easy reads, and I know people don't respect them, but like, they're interesting and gripping, and it does take me a lot of effort to read a book because I find it somewhat boring. So if the plot is not interesting, then I'm not going to be sticking with it. Then I got 2 books which are related to my course. I basically love reading books about sustainable fashion. I mean, obviously my course is sustainable fashion. It's quite a research heavy degree, and I just love reading physical books about what I'm studying. And to be honest, even if I wasn't studying it in uni, I probably would buy these because I just find it so fascinating, and I love hearing so many people's opinions about sustainable fashion because it's such a broad topic. But anyway, we're not going to get into it, but I got the Total Ethics of Fashion, and then I got this one which is called Fashioning the Future by Claire Press. As I said, we went to visit all of the charity shops, and I actually bought 3 bags, which is so rogue. I've literally never bought a bag from a charity shop before, but they all were just so good. This is the first one I picked up. This one was kind of spenny, but it is by the brand Radley, which is actually so funny because I feel like Radley is such like a corporate girl brand, and like this is just so not corporate girl. But yeah, it's just a really great crossbody bag, and you can never have too many. I just think it's really cool, and I'm excited to style it, and I actually think it's just such a unique piece. piece. The next one is also a crossbody bag. This is by Kangol, which is kind of cool as fuck in my opinion. And I just love the colorway. I just feel like it's giving I'm going on a safari, which I love. I also think it's just such a good substantial size as well. And I just thought it'd be really, really practical for like traveling or just things like that because it's got so much space. Lastly, I got this shoulder bag with like contrast stitching and a silver buckle. And I'm actually so gassed with this find because I've been looking for a black shoulder bag because I do have a really cute baby blue one, but obviously does not go with loads of outfits. And I just think this one's quite unique and it's genuine leather and it's by Anne Taylor. I did some research on her yesterday, but I couldn't find much out. So if anyone knows anything, let me know. Okay, I'm all ready now. This is my makeup. I feel like I look like I'm about to like tell a ghost story because my ring light is literally underneath me. But yeah, this is my Valentine's makeup. I put some eyeshadow on because why the fuck not? I'm just wearing this Cop Copine baby tee that I got off of Fine's World. And the same red belt that's from a charity shop that I always wear. And then I'm also wearing these Real Tree camo trousers and my shocks. And then I'm going to throw on this juicy jumper and my jacket. I haven't really filmed much today because I've just been working all day, but I'm about to go on a walk because I have not been outside today. But something very exciting did happen today. My Peachy Den parcel arrived. Obviously I've been on my spending ban, but my brother got me the Colonel jumpsuit for Christmas. It's so nice. I literally have the blue one, but I just didn't really feel like it fit me perfectly. And I just kind of felt like I could get something that I would wear more than the jumpsuit. So I got these joggers. I'll just stand back so you can see them fully. They just fit me so well. Like I'm just so obsessed with them. They're the Betty joggers in nighttime tea. Hang on, I'll show you them in the mirror so you can see them a little bit better. I just feel like the fit of them is so perfect and they're so comfy. I've got the Stussy joggers in grey and I literally live in them, and I've been after a navy blue pair for so long, but I didn't want to just buy like the navy blue Stussy ones because then I'd have two of the same one. And Peachy Den is literally my favourite brand of all time, as we all know, so obviously I was going to give theirs a go. I'm so obsessed with them. My mirror is kind of dirty, so apologies for that. But they've just got this peachy branded detailing and then this really, really cool like waistband. I really feel like you can't see anything because of the lighting. It's so annoying. I keep waiting till the end of the day to film. I'll stop doing that. This is what the waistband looks like. It's just got little buttons, and this is the little embroidered logo that I was talking about. And then this is what they look like at the back. Got a little pocket, which is so fun. I was a bit worried that they weren't going to deliver the way that I wanted them to deliver because I'm quite picky about the way my joggers fit. Like I like them to be quite baggy, so I always get them in large or an extra large, but these ones didn't have a drawstring, so I was like, fuck, are these not going to fit? But they actually fit me really, really well. Peachy Den have delivered once again. I had another £10 of store credit, so I bought the Peachy Den socks. They're just like this like burgundy tartan, and they're quite long as well. I love long socks because one of my pet peeves is when my ankles are hanging out my jeans. Anyway, I'm gonna wrap up and get going on my walk. I also need to post my cards and go to the supermarket to get some stuff for dinner. I've really been slacking on making good meals recently, so I'm gonna have a quick look for some recipes and hopefully feel inspired to make something nice instead of just fish fingers and potato waffles and beans, which is what I normally eat.
I got a really nice comment the other day from someone asking me to share my skincare routine. I am not a skincare expert, but I thought I'd just kind of roughly show you what I do. I have eczema and dry skin, and these products really help me to tackle that, and maybe they can work for you too. So this is Friday morning. I took my meds and my vitamin D. My mum told me that I had to start taking vitamin D because apparently people from Scotland are deficient in it. So that's why I started doing that. But yeah, anyway, I made my breakfast, had some lovely avocado toast. And then I actually had a meeting that I was just preparing for here. I took some notes just so I didn't go in completely unprepared.
She could ride my face, I don't want nothing in return. Her body counting who she fucking got me not concerned. I'm trying to buy my neighbor house. She could ride my face, I don't want nothing in return. Except for some her time and all her love, that's my concern. I'm trying to buy my neighbor house and turn it to a y'all. If you don't know my grandma name, then we ain't really dog.
So 2-hour lecture, which felt so long. I normally only have 1-hour lectures, but they just do not seem that painful. But this 2-hour one, oh my god, it was so long. I feel kind of dumb saying that because I feel like other people have way longer lectures than me. But anyway, I literally just stopped at home to have lunch and grab some more stuff because me and Milana, my housemate, are going to go to Left Bank, which is this really cool converted church just up the road from us, and it's basically like such a good study spot.